Hello friends, good evening. Happy Ram Navami to everyone. So today being an holiday, so I thought I'll discuss a very simple strategy. A lot of people, they're not so much comfortable using Excel. So this particular strategy can be used on TradingView. You don't have to do anything. Just and this is helpful in swing trading, and it can be used in intraday trading, but I will prefer more on the swing trading side. So people who prefer positions, they can buy in cash, or if they trade in FNO, then they can even short it. So what is this strategy? We'll take any stock as an example. One thing you need to find out is that from a point where stock has made a major top or a major bottom, like this here. This was a major bottom. These bottoms and tops are high energy figure, like the big players have either accumulated and they're done with their accumulation, and then they shoot up the prices, or the big players have started the distribution here, and then they go for this big, a quick fall on the market. So what you have to do, I will take an example of REC. We can take it can be applied on any stock per se. So here, what we will do is, so it made a bottom here. So the bottom was 259.45. So which is almost equivalent to 260. So what you have to do is, either a trend can, what Gann used to tell is price is time. So after 259 bar, we can see a trend change, but those are like almost a year away, year and a half away. So we can take the first two digit. So we'll see a trend change at 25.9. So that will be 26th bar. It can be trading days, it can be calendar days. Now this is where you have to concentrate whether for this particular cycle a trading days is working or a calendar days. How to find out? Go to trading view, click on this date range. So first we'll start with 26 days. It will give you both. See, you can see here, one is bar, one is days. So first we'll go and see what is happening on 26th day. So first days will obviously come. So 26th day. 26th day, you can see here it made a top, right? What we generally do is, once we find these time cycles, we have our own indicator, which is Gann intraday levels. So we apply this indicator and we just put the high and low. So the high is for this bar, high is 351 and low is 332. 351 and tap 332. Click OK. Right? So it will automatically give you the levels. So I have to go long now. After that, see here, neither it broke the green line, neither red line. So that is why it is for swing traders. So now once the high was breached here, right? So our entry was, let's display the financial levels. Yeah. So our entry was at 351.18. It made a low of 351.10. It gave us a perfect entry. And our targets are 358, 369 till 405. So till all the targets were done. A simple way how you can use time, and with that time you can predict what could be the next move of the stock, right? So here 26-day cycle is working. I'll minimize this. Now let's go to the next. Let's check the 26 bar also, if it is giving some nice moves. 25, 26 bar, this is also giving a nice move. So suppose you miss a trade here, right? Because of some XYZ reasons, you can take this bar trade also. So the high is 395 and the low is 376. Again, you can go here, go to settings, 395, 376. Click OK. This. Again, see here, it gave you an entry here. The stop loss is this. And then 1, 2, 3, all targets were done, right? So this is a very simple way you can use this technique. Now, again 26. So we'll go to 26 plus 26 is 52. So 52 days or 52 bars. So first let's go to 52 days, 55, 54, 53. Okay, so 52 was a holiday. Yeah, so we have 53. So we take 53 again. You can see here it made a short-term top. Next day low was broken. The very next day it was down 7%. So you have to wait patiently for these moves to come. Now after that again we can apply this on 52 bars also. 52 bars. Again, it made a perfect bottom, and from there we had a good rally in the stock, right? So this is a very simple way of using this technique. Now in this, if we get our on these dates, if we get our three important levels which we follow for swing trading, let me quickly apply them. So one, we use Gann annual trend chain level, then we use Gann monthly trend chain levels, and then we use semi-annual pivot. These three levels, if these levels also come around these point, So as you can see here, this was the 52 bar. It exactly touched this level. 424 is your 424 or 422 is your SAP level, right? And I think it is, yeah, it is your SAP level. So from there, this also gives you further confirmation. So around these lines, if the prices comes, then we can be more sure on our trade. Like once it broke on the upside, then with this lower stop loss, we can carry the positions. Let's take another example. So let's take a stock which is this is in 250 range. Let's take Dixon as an example now. Go to the daily chart again, and now we'll find a major high or major low. Also, we'll try to find a major high or a major low. Yeah. So here we have a major bottom. It made a bottom at 2745. So either we can take 274th bar, which will be long away, or 27.4. So around 27 bar only. So again, we'll go here, date range, and we'll go for that first 27 days and then bar. 27 day. Yeah, it made almost a bottom. It was just consolidating. Nothing major happened between these highs and lows. Again, you can put the high and low in the that indicator, or you can use your own things also. Then we'll go to the 27th bar also. So 27th bar, again it made a bottom, so it is just consolidating. And now let's go to the 54th day, 52, 53. So after that we had a small fall the very next day, almost 3%. And then 27, 54. Again you add 27, you get 71. 81th bar and 81 day. So first let's go to the 81 day. Yeah, from there a good down move started happening. And let's go to the 81th bar also. 81th bar. From there the big rally started, right? So this is a very simple technique. It can be applied on any instrument of your choice, right? So IGL, Indus Tower has been making some good moves. Let's quickly find if we have an important time cycle for that. Mhm. Just minimize all this. This is a daily chart. It has made, before this rally, it made a bottom here. So the low was 157, 115.7, so 16. So let's go for every 16 bar and 16 days. 16 bar again a good bottom, and 16 days again you can see a good rally came. Then 32 bar, 31, 32, 30, 31, 32. See again a good bottom made. From there good rally came. Then 16 threes is 48, 46, 47, 48. From there a big rally came. 16 fours is 64. This was kind of whipsaw. It just consolidated. So yeah, it is not a holy grail. You will have stop losses. Then we'll go to the 80th bar. It was a perfect top and this big candle, almost 8% down. Then 16.6 is 96, right? So here just consolidated. Then, right, so this way you can take it forward. So we can multiples of 16. 16 10 is 160, which it has done here, right? So if this low is breached, then you can take a good short trade in this. We can see a move all the way towards at least 312, which is your Gann monthly trend chain level. So this is a very simple technique. So you can go ahead and apply in different stocks. It doesn't work so nicely on indices. Indices, we have something else. I'll share it with you. So as of now, you can apply this on stocks and see how beautifully your stocks are working. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. Stay disciplined.